Hello, I'm Laura the Library Lady, and welcome to part 2 of the Cinco de Mayo, my birthday episode. So, we were making our love jar for mom, and I cut out a piece of vellum, and I'm going to put the adhesive on the back side of it, just like this, to make for mom. This is your special Mother's Day gift, just an option. And I take the adhesive off, the backing of it, and I'm going to put it right up here toward the top because I don't want to cover up the bling bling. And it says, I love you. So on one side you have the hearts, and the other side you have I love you. What a great thing for your mom, right? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take scrap paper, and I did this before I did the video, and you're going to cut it up in different sizes. And you're going to take your, if you have one of these, that's great. It's called a rounder, and you're just going to clip it. So see this piece of paper, how it has 4 45-degree angles, but we're going to round that off. And you see how it's round? And you can put a message on this for your mom on both sides or either side, or you can stamp it. You can add ink to it. So adding ink to it will look like this. Let's put it on the yellow side, and I just put a little bit of ink. See how I bring that pink in? You don't have to do this. You can color whatever you already have, boys and girls. I'm a big crafter, so I have lots of craft stuff. And you can put in, you are the best. You can draw a happy face. You can draw a heart. Whatever it is that you like. See that? And you can make several of those. And you take your jar and you just put them in there. So they'll always be available for your mom. Now, the last thing you're going to do, second to last thing, is that you're going to take your top of your jar, the cap, you're going to make a circle. Going to trace a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to do what? You're going to cut it out. Just going to cut around it. You're going to cut it, make it a little smaller. It doesn't have to be perfect. And if you have some other tools to make a circle, you can definitely do that. Like a compass. Do you have a compass? That might be a good way or a better way to make a circle. And you're going to take your adhesive again. And you're going to put some adhesive on here. Cut it. There we go. See there? I'm going to take the adhesive off. Oops, I put it on the wrong side, but that's okay. I put it on here. Oops, it's a little big, so you can trim it if you need to. And if you put stuff on the wrong side, like I just did, it's okay. Because white is still one of the colors. And I have my sticker hearts. And I put it right like this. And let's say I filled this all up. I put this here, but I can put another heart and put a second heart. Okay, I need a second heart that's a contrasting color. Do I have a pink one? Pink. They never give enough pink, so I'll use a white one. So I use a white one just to give it a little more interest. And you can draw, you can trim, you can draw on here if you like. Whatever you like, boys and girls. There's no right or wrong. So see how I did that? Okay. And the last thing I want to add is ribbon. And yeah, I have all kind of ribbon here. This is leftover ribbon. I'm going to just tie it around here. This is A lot of this stuff is left over, and if you want to press the ribbon, you can. But make sure it's on very low heat, and make sure you ask an older brother or sister, because dealing with irons is not easy. And you can get that down, or you can use a thin ribbon, and you can tie a bow. And you can use different types of ribbon. You can use a shoestring. You don't have to use a ribbon. You can use whatever you already have at home. Okay, but I try to get things that are the same color. And it's not perfect. And if you don't want that, I don't like that ribbon. Oh, that's too much. So see how I didn't like that? So I have some other ribbon that's a little smaller, a little easier to handle. I have my good scissors. I'll cut a long piece. We'll tie it around twice. There, I like that much better. That other ribbon was just too much for me to deal with. And I make a real, let me tie a knot. There we go. And I'm gonna make a bow. And if it's still too long, you can even trim it. So here you go. So your mother, I've made two. These are two examples, and they're two different types of bottles. This one says I love you on the back. It has hearts. So these are just an idea of what you can make for your mom. And I'm a messy crafter. Sorry about that, boys and girls. But I promise I'll clean everything up. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I didn't read to you, but I think it's important to do different crafts and have lots of fun, especially since we're at home due to COVID-19. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed these episodes. Take care. Bye.